It's a video.
Wait, hold on.
I like videos.
Come here, baby.
There's a baby.
Oh, I wondered how you did it. That's how you do it. I thought you had to throw them over the fence.
Let's have a count of whoever finished
Oh,
here.
come on, baby.
Ginny. Get upset, baby.
Yeah, you like those videos. Did you see the baby son?
Uh-huh.
Back there.
It looks dead.
How would these called in?
The ostriches are down here.
Now, what are these for here? What are we feeding?
These the pellets. This is better than Ross Park. Did you hear me,
It's
John?
hungry too.
This place is better than Ross Park.
Oh, definitely by far. The size of that bird. Holy mackerel.
I'd like to ride one of them.
That's huge.
Okay.
Two. Time.
He's eating it right off the ground. He doesn't care.
Imagine that drumstick. Imagine that drumstick.
For dinner in Africa.
They look delicious, don't they? They're sleeping during the day.
And you make it smaller by putting it back
I
down.
want it big so I can see it. And you
See,
get
I can
stuck
take a
with one of
picture
them.
too with my camera
Oh,
while it's
good idea.
videotaping.
Look at these.
Like,
Mom, this one's eating the food you put in. It's so cool.
And you can take your lettuce and carrots too. Send that. The ostrich can eat that stuff too.
did you throw that in
Look at that. Oh, he's eating lettuce.
there? Now all the other ones are going to be pissed because I was just getting.
You want to throw more?
Pellets.
Want to throw more to him?
No.
He'll take it right out of the cage.
He'll spit at it. There was no penguins.
Yeah. Oh, I love it. It's a crane. There's my bird. Can't see him. There he is. How pretty was that?
Let's see.
Oh, look, look, there it comes. Here it comes. How beautiful is that?
Can we feed him?
Wow. He earned something. We ought to give him something. Huh. That's a beautiful bird.
That's pretty cool, Gigi.
Wow. They only weigh 7 pounds, as big as they are. Flamingos. Oh, how pretty is that?
They don't have the red eyes like they do in Florida.
These are pretty.
I think yes.
Just saying hi.
Look at the sound. Funny movement.
Now what can they eat, honey? He wants the food. What can I have?
It doesn't. Does it say? It
it
doesn't
on
think it
there?
says a birds.
Not to be fed. So I imagine the birds can't feed them, huh? Ostriches you can feed. Emu you can feed. But these are not fun.
Mommy, flamingos. That's what your name. It's flamingos. Oh, that's
Pretty bird. Is that what he's saying? Pretty bird.
He is saying that. Pretty bird, pretty bird, pretty bird.
I want to put some lettuce for the tortoise.
You hear what he's saying? Pretty bird, pretty bird. That really is a beautiful bird.
Where is it? Oh,
Water.
Why don't you drop your phone in the water? Oh, there's the peacocks. I just saw them. They're here. That's neat.
Sneak peek of what you're bringing back.
Oh yeah. Now what are these?
Cute. Is that?
Huh? Hoop stock, camel. They all want to go. The size of this one here. What's a cavy?
Huh?
Cavies. I don't know what that means. They're good size animals.
Turn this way, peacock.
That's way. Yeah, he's beautiful. Did you see that one? That's bad.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. That's neat.
There's a bear. There's like there.
Rudolph's in.
Bears.
Oh, I love it.
Does Ross Park have bears?
Huh?
Ross Park don't have bears.
I don't remember. No. That was Adirondack.
They got wolves.
That was Adirondack. Oh, that's a good. There's two of them in there.
That
At first
one's-
I thought it was one. It's like, wow. That's, a
That's
big
bigger
one.
than the ones we saw on the side of the road.
Yes, it is. Speaking of raccoons, you want to hear a funny one? My sister's neighbor, she's got a raccoon problem. So guess how much it costs for an exterminator to get